Welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost $3.06 less. Automotive diesel is down $1.99 and ultra low sulfur diesel will decline by $1.35. Now the price of kerosene will decrease by $1.79. Propane is up 25 cents and butane will cost 83 cents more. Oil prices rose nearly 3% today after U.S. President Donald Trump falsely claimed victory in a tight U.S. election. It's the news most oil producers wanted to hear, as a victory by his rival Joe Biden threatens to introduce green policies and a softer stance on Iran. Oil for delivery in December gained $1.03 to settle at $38.69 a barrel. Money Masters launched a subsidiary company today focusing on real estate and infrastructure investments. Already, the company is offering shares in a private placement which opens on November 12. Money Masters also plans to list the new company on the Jamaica Stock Exchange within the next 6 months to a year, Andrew Lately reports.
As global markets grapple with the economic effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, real estate continues to show promising signs for investors. That's the driving force behind Money Masters Real Estate and Infrastructure Investments, a company strategically designed to exploit the benefits of real estate and infrastructure assets.
The reason why the REIF has been launched now, it's because of the opportunity that the environment offers. In particular, as Dr. Telwell indicated, the bond market is challenged, the stock market is challenged, and the asset classes of real estate and infrastructure offers investors, offers the portfolios that we manage an opportunity for growth, for attractive ROI, return on investments, and also stable income.
The company will launch its first offer in a matter of days, hoping to raise $1.5 billion. The private placement will target specific investors.
It is being issued under the exempt distribution guidelines, and as such, the minimum amount is actually 10 million Jamaican dollars. So, Minister, we have targeted specific groups based on their capacity to hold capital long term, and then at a later date we will offer shares in the REIF to the wider public.
This initiative seeks to satisfy domestic need for the build-out of bridges, as well as road, sewage, water, electricity, telecommunications, housing, and hospital infrastructure. In the long term, Ms. Crooks is hoping that the company will make a meaningful contribution to the growth and development of Caribbean economies. In the long term, Ms. Crooks is hoping that the company will make a meaningful contribution to the growth and development of Caribbean economies.
We expect within the next 10 years, by virtue of the role that Money Masters Real Estate and Infrastructure Investments Limited will play in Jamaica, it will not just be about creating wealth for the few, but it will be about creating wealth for all Jamaicans.
The application for the private placement is expected to close on December 10. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $148.44. The Canadian dollar is now going for $110.16. The pound closed at $192.82, while the euro is being sold for $174.70. The JC index gained 1,110 points today, while the junior market index lost 12 points. Among the winners were Cayley Group, Lasco Financial, First Rock Capital Holdings, SSL Venture Capital, and the Lumber Depot. On the losing side were Main Event, 1834 Investments, Express Catering, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.